Hello friends and welcome back on a new episode of Techno Content. I'm Swapnil Banerjee and here in this video I'm going to tell you about how to solve a cylinder Rubik's Cube. So guys, now without wasting more time, let's get started. So guys, here if you are a 3x3x3 Rubik's Cube solver, then guys you will be able to solve this one very much easily, because guys I have solved this one for a number of times, and guys I have followed that this one also follows that method to solve this Rubik's Cube. So guys, now let's move to our main part of our video. So guys, here for solving the cylinder Rubik's Cube, at first you will have to know the notations for solving a Rubik's Cube. So guys, if you don't know the notations for solving a Rubik's Cube, then guys I'll recommend that please watch our video, and guys I have given a link in the description box. There, by tapping on that link you will be able to watch our video where we have taught method for knowing the notations of your Rubik's Cube. So guys, now let's start solving the cube. So guys, at first you will have to take a face. So guys, now let's start solving this Rubik's Cube. So guys, for solving this Rubik's Cube, at first we'll make a cross on this side. So guys, here I have taken the white side as our face. So guys, now for solving this one, at first we'll have to make a good cross here. So guys, for making a cross we'll have to make a plus sign here. So guys, now let's make a plus sign on this side. So guys, now we shall just solve these corner pieces, and guys then our this side will be solved. So guys, look here, we have solved this side, and guys now what we'll have to do, we'll have to solve these sides, and for that what we'll need, we will have to need only the pink colored middle pieces. So guys, like this we have found 1, 2, and yeah, we shall need 2 pieces only. So guys, for that we shall need some algorithms, and guys here on your screen I will type all the algorithms, and guys by using them you will be able to solve this one. So guys, here I want to move this one in the left side in this side. So guys, for that I am using this algorithm. So guys, now we'll move this one at the right side. So guys, for that we shall use another algorithm. So guys, here this way this side is also solved. So guys, now we will need to solve only this side. So guys, by solving this one we will be able to complete our Rubik's Cube. So guys, now let's also solve this one. So for that I am using this algorithm, and here. Okay, it is done now. And guys, now we will need to solve only the corner pieces, and this way we will be able to solve our complete Rubik's cube. So guys, for that we are using this algorithm. The algorithm is on your screen. So guys, by using that algorithm you will be able to solve this one very much easily. So let's keep solving this. So only this piece is left. So guys, look here, our complete Rubik's cube is solved now. And guys, here we were able to solve this one. So guys, here in this Rubik's cube some cases may not arrive. So guys, I am not very much sure of that. So guys, if you want to know all the cases, you can watch our video where we have taught you to solve a 3x3x3 Rubik's cube. I will also provide you the link of that video in the description box. So guys, by touching on that link you will be able to solve, you will be able to watch that video. So guys, I will recommend that if you think that you are not able to know all the cases in this video, then guys please watch that one, and I think you will be helpful for that. So guys, here in this video I have told you the method to solve a cylinder Rubik's cube. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed, please do a thumbs up here, like, comment, share, and guys, if you are new on our channel, then please subscribe by tapping here. And guys, if you haven't watched this recommended video, watch it from here. If you haven't visited this recommended playlist, also visit it from here. So guys, now thanks for watching, have a nice day, and bye bye.